Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. Today I'm going to show you how you can make royal icing to decorate your cookies or your cakes. These are the three ingredients you are going to use for. You can use stand mixture or hand mixture to do this. Pour the egg white into the stand mixture or whatever you are using. Set up to medium high speed and beat it for 1 minute. And stop it. Add the lemon juice to it. Beat it for 2 minutes or until foaming. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, and press the bell there. Add a pinch of salt to it. Add the sugar powder little by little. Beat until thickened. And like my Facebook page, I have Facebook page there. Follow my Facebook page too. Continue adding sugar powder little by little until the sugar powder is finished. Set up to high speed. And if the thickness is not good for you, you can add more sugar powder to it. It's very easy and simple to make your royal icing. And divide it any color you want to add it. You divide it, and that's what I'm doing it because I need to make Christmas cookies. You can choose any food color you want to use it. It's better to use the powder fruit color than using the liquid one. The green one, I'm mixing it. This is the color I prefer to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's easy and simple royal icing, you can do it. Thanks for watching me.